So, while laying in bed this morning, doing a whole lot of nothing, getting my drink here situated, we got a load offer. I was picking up here in Georgia and going to up by Pittsburgh. Problem is, I've delivered that load before, or picked up from that company before. They'll say it's 3 pieces, 3,000 pounds, and it'll be 12 skids and 10,000 pounds, and I ain't doing it. Hell with that. So, I was only paying 1,200 bucks. Wasn't a fan of it, didn't want to do it, didn't really care. So, thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Thanks for participating in this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't move is the growth of this channel without your help. So hit that subscribe button and join us. Now, on to the load that we're taking. We are picking up here about 100 miles away on the other side of 285 and going down to Laredo, Texas. A better paying load, better board. The board that we're going to go to up there towards Pittsburgh has 1 a day. If we go down to Laredo, we have a better option of getting out of there. It's a higher paying load, and it goes to a board that has 12 a day and only 2 trucks on it. So we're going to Georgia, or going to Laredo. So thanks for being here. Let's get this day started. Let's get this truck fired up. Already done my walk around. All the tires are good. Lights are good. So let's get this, let's kick the fires. Or sorry, let's kick the tires and light the fires. And let's get this day started. And head over here to, I can't think of the name in Georgia, but it's picking up going to Laredo. We got to be there by 11. Let's do it.
Small town good morning, everybody. We have made it to our shipper here in Gainesville. We're back on the door. He just went to check in, waiting to get loaded, and then we're off to Laredo.
Take me to Atlanta, where the beach trees grow. Take me to Atlanta, down the Georgia Road. Got a woman there, she's waiting. Been a long, long, long time. Take me to Atlanta, further down the line. Blacktop keeps on rolling, the white line never ends. You know that you are lucky.
All right, we are loaded for pressure withies. All together, there's 3 skids. A little bit over 3,000 pounds, looks like. I didn't have to drop my left axle, but I always do when we're heavy hit, or not, I guess. We technically could haul that much weight on one axle, but I don't know. To me, it's easier on the truck. We got both axles down. It's only 3,000 pounds, so the truck can handle 3,000 pounds on one axle, but it's just easier on the equipment. Put both of them down, divide the weight up, send it. Plus, sometimes the DOT likes to pester you when you're rated for as much as we are, and then you have only one axle on the ground. So, anyways, we're out of here. We are leaving Gainesville, Georgia, and on our way to Laredo, Texas. So, let's go.
If you got a few good friends, I've been almost anywhere that I care to be. There's a beauty way down south, keeps on calling me. Take me to Atlanta, where the beach trees grow. Take me to Atlanta, down the Georgia Road. Got a woman there, she's waiting. Been a long, long, long time. Take me to Atlanta, further down the line.
Alright, y'all, well, it's been an interesting night. Just a long day for me. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning, so just couldn't sleep past that. It's been a long day, as you can see. The wife's driving. She's not feeling the greatest, so that's why she hasn't been very talkative. But I'm done driving. I think she's got 600 miles, right at 600 miles to go, 620, somewhere in there. I was able to, we had 11, a little over 1,100 miles. I knocked it down to 600 something. We're in Baton Rouge, and we're headed through. I don't know if she's going to record anything. If she's up to it, she will. If not, just know she doesn't feel good, and she probably won't say much. But anyways, appreciate y'all stopping back, and I will see you right there. I will see you in the morning. Appreciate y'all being here. Good morning, friends. It is 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time, 6:45 a.m. Central Time. Yeah, and we're sitting in Laredo, Texas. We're sitting right outside the place we gotta deliver. I'm assuming they don't open till maybe 7 or 8. I'm hoping 7 local time. That'd be great. Up, how are you this morning? Staring down them birdies out there. All right. Anyways, we're here. We weren't even to the ship or consignee yet, and we already had a load out of here. Picks up tonight, 5 o'clock, like 2 miles from here. So There's a new Love's that they built down here not too long ago. That's like 6 miles from us. So we might take a ride over there. Well, we're gonna take a ride over there, see if there's any open spots so we can hang out there until we gotta pick up. Can't promise that there's gonna be spots there, but it's either 6 miles there or 6 miles to the other truck stop, so it really doesn't matter either way, right? So we're gonna go there. We're gonna get unloaded here, hopefully here shortly. And all right, Papa, go over there and sit for a minute. And that'll be the day. So stick around. We'll show you going into this joint, trying to get all the doggos are shedding. We'll show you a video of trying to get into this joint and what we got to do, and that'll be on this video, and then the trip to Laredo will be on the next one. So thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back, and stick around. We'll see what happens. Appreciate you guys.
I'm minding my own business. I got no time to waste. A woman in Atlanta, she doesn't like to wait. Tennessee's behind me. There's a changing in the air. When I can see the long leaf pines, I know I'm almost there. Oh, take me to Atlanta, where the peach trees grow. Take me to Atlanta, down the Georgia Road. Got a woman there, she's waiting. Been a long, long, long time. Take me to Atlanta, further down the line. Take me to Atlanta, where the peach trees grow. Take me to Atlanta, down the Georgia Road. Got a woman there, she's waiting. Been a long, long, long time. Take me to Atlanta, further down the line. Take me to Atlanta, further down the line.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are empty and we are done for the day. It's signed, sealed, and delivered. It's theirs. So we are now on our way to the truck stop to hang out for a little bit, potentially, if there's parking. And then at 5 o'clock or so, we head over to our other pickup. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out with us. And we appreciate you, each and every one of you. Again, thank you for 300 plus subscribers. Never thought in a million years we'd make it to that point. We're awesome. You're awesome. It's awesome. Be good to one another and live to expedite another day.